up, Matitibais? Welcome to the Math Universe. This is your gorgeous and mathematic teacher for today, Mom Nine. Oh, that's me, or Mom Janine P. Ragos. Mathematic teacher that could give you a new logic, knowledge, and information about mathematics. Are you ready on the lesson that Mom Nine could give? That's great! Prepare a paper and pen and get ready on our Math Universe adventure. Let's go! Statistics is a discipline that combines mathematics, economics, research, and practicalities of life. Questions such as who turned out in the poll during candidacy, we conduct survey to be able to know the preference of different individuals. In this case, we use statistics. The average score of our students in a test is an example of statistics. In a chat group, if we want to know the preference of our classmate regarding certain issue, we ask them to conduct a poll or a survey online via Google form. This shows how important the statistics is in gathering reliable data, so that we can come up with a reasonable decision when we engage to competitions. We either win or lose, but we are not certain of the outcome. Even when we participate in games again, outcome may be uncertain, but we do know that three situations may happen. We either win, lose, or get even when we think of chances. We think of probabilities of an event, and when we talk about competitions, games, and opportunities, we have random outcomes. Random because the outcome is uncertain today. Let's get ready to witness probabilities behind random events as we discover the wonders of random variable. Our life has been a series of chances. Let's talk about chances first. Have you been to an arcade? There will definitely be one period in your life where arcade had been a Sunday bonding with family. What games do you usually see there? If your answers are pinball coin, pusher claw machine, and several other games, most of the games we see in arcades are chance games. Just like what we mentioned earlier, games that are repeatedly done under similar conditions, games that we are hooked into hoping that the odds will be in our favor. When we talk about chances, it means we are also dealing with probabilities. In probability, when we do an activity that can be repeatedly done under similar conditions, we are actually doing an experiment. Can you give an example? Things that we do repeatedly? The one that you studied when you were in grade 8? Remember? One classic example is tossing a coin. Can you try? Kindly get a coin. Let's try at our places. Ready? And go! What do you think is the result? Let's see if you guessed it right. In this case, the result is a head. The result of a trial in an experiment is called an outcome. Since the experiment of tossing a coin resulted with a head, then head is an outcome. How about you? What result did you get? I'm sure the results vary if you repeat this activity. Is the result always a head? If your answer is no, I agree with you. What other results did you get? I'm sure some got a tail. What about when you spin a coin? What are the possible results? If your answer is a head or tail, then your answer is correct. Note that the result of all possible outcomes in an experiment is called a sample space. And in this case, the sample space is either a head or tail. Let's have another experiment. When we roll a die, what is the sample space? Remember, sample space is the result of all outcomes in an experiment. If your answers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, your answer is correct. Thus, the sample space of rolling a die are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 because these are the possible outcomes when rolling a die. Sample space is often used in getting probability of an event. When a coin is tossed, what is the probability of getting a head? If your answer is 1/2, then your answer is correct. For there is 1 out of 2 chances that the result will be a head, thus the probability of getting a head is 1/2. What is the probability of getting a number less than 5 in a roll of a dice? If your answer is 2/3, your answer is correct. Because there are 4 possible outcomes when we talk about getting a number. Less than 5, the result can either be 4, 3, 2, or 1. Which means 4 out of 6 can be an outcome or 2/3.
How about you? Can you try finding the sample space of tossing 3 coins? Let us find out on the next episode.
Today had been a great learning experience. So, see you next time on the another Math Universe adventure in statistics and probability with Mom 9. Bye!